back to my channel, and today is a long-awaited favorites video, which this is just gonna be a current favorites video. I'm not gonna start doing monthly favorites. I did that when I first started my channel. That got boring real fast. Anyways, guys, so today's gonna be a current favorites of what I'm currently loving. If you're excited, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe down below, become a #FamJam member here on my channel. And we are so close to 1,500. I want to hit that goal by my year anniversary, which is coming up here in March. So please help me hit that goal, guys. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So real quick, if you all are interested in what kind of lip color I'm wearing, I'm currently wearing the Hijinks shade by Sugarpill. This is what it looks like. It is really nice. I've been loving this. I actually have the other shade called Vertigo. They're both long wearing, pigmented, and not super drying, but they are matte, so I do like that. Anyways, on to my favorites. So I'm just going to start off with like my current makeup favorites, and then we'll go into other favorites. So I recently had picked up this little NYX eyeshadow palette. They had released 4 of these little eyeshadow palettes. This one is called Phoenix, and it is really pretty. I used this a little bit around Valentine's Day for some pinky red tone looks, and then I love that it has these 2 really dark shades down here that you could create a really pretty smoky eye look with. And this is only $7, guys. NYX is stepping up its game. I've been loving a lot of NYX products lately, and they've released so many new little eyeshadow palettes and new lip products, and y'all need to run, not walk, to go get this palette. It is so good. Next up is this new highlighter by Fenty Beauty. It's the Wada Brat highlighter. I'm actually wearing this highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes today, and I'm really loving it. I'm wearing the other Fenty highlighter on the rest of my face today that I'm obsessed with. Is How Many Carats. It doesn't look very pretty because like if you use a brush in it, it picks up some of the colors left in the brush. So if you use like a highlighter brush that you've already used, like a gold highlighter, it'll pick up, it'll stain the actual product a little bit. So I actually just use my finger to apply this one. That way I won't get it any more dirty. So this one I've been obsessing with, and so I've been loving this Wada Brat highlighter I recently got. Last thing in the makeup favorites is this Milk Kush mascara. I recently picked up this mini size of it, and I have been loving it. Here is what the wand looks like. It's just a, normal fluffy big wand. You could literally just do 1 coat of this on your lashes and you could be pretty much good to go. It adds a good amount of volume and a good amount of length too. I'm loving this. So next up in my favorites is a couple skincare items. I've recently been really loving skincare, and my face has been loving it too. And so I actually took time to get myself into a skincare routine, a morning skincare routine and a nighttime skincare routine. And I can really tell a big difference in my skin. Like, I have fewer breakouts, it looks healthier, and even a little bit brighter. So first up, I have been loving this Elemis Pro Collagen Moisturizer. We actually got this in our BoxyCharm. I want to say it was our January box, and I've been using on it. Every night I use this in my nighttime skincare routine, and as you can see, I've barely put a dent into it, and I've really been enjoying this. And then this 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I actually will apply this and then apply a couple drops on my face of this vitamin C serum at night, and then just moisturize both of these together, and they are amazing. Loving these lately. And then on to a little bit of other fun things I've been loving is this Seaside Soothing Candle. It is made with coconut wax, and oh, it smells so clean and refreshing, guys. I got this for Christmas and I have been loving it because you know, during Christmas I was burning all the Christmas scents, but now that, you know, Christmas is over and all that fun stuff, I've been loving the classic clean scent, and this is a must. My mom actually got this from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx has some of the best candles, y'all. And then another thing I've also been enjoying is, if you all do any type of reading, I don't really do much reading, but I do enjoy this brand of magazine. It's called Project Calm. And this was actually the winter issue. I haven't picked up the spring issue yet. I don't even know if it's out yet. But this one only, I think there's only 4 issues a year. Don't quote me on that. But basically, this magazine is really cool. It, like inside, it will give you like little projects you can make. Like, and it shows you like step by step how to make them. It'll also include like little activities that you can do. And then it also will give you like little posters you can hang up that just has like little inspirational things. And then it even has like some food recipes in it, which I find really fun to read because I do love to cook. And then like in the back, sometimes it'll include other fun little cutout things, like these are little postcards that you can like clip out and mail, and it's just so many fun little things. And I can only pick this up at a bookstore. Like, you can't find this at Walmart. I actually find this at Barnes & Noble, and you can order it online. You have to like order like the whole year edition though. And so yeah, I've been loving this magazine. And then last up, I've been loving this backpack I got for Christmas from Target. It has just been a really cute essential for winter. It's really fuzzy, so it looks fun for winter, and it holds a lot of my fun stuff. So if you guys want to see a what's in my bag video, let me know. I can do that. And then also, my current favorite thing on Netflix has been Gilmore Girls. I've been obsessing with that TV show. I never watched it when I was younger because it was just a little bit too mature for me when the series started and was released back when I was maybe like 5. So I've been really enjoying that show, and I'm almost done with it. I only have like 1 season left, which is crazy. I'm going to be so sad when it ends. So that is all of my current favorites at the moment. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and y'all, please don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.